It started with a single faded photograph. A family in front of a station wagon, smiles frozen in time. Overnight, that same family appeared in a cyberpunk city, their clothes transformed, the world around them unrecognizable. The internet exploded. How could a decades-old photo be so radically and flawlessly altered in seconds? The answer: Nano Banana, Google's new AI image editor powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. No more layers, masks, or complicated tools. Just describe what you want, and the AI does the rest. The original post, shared by a Google beta tester, was a declaration photo editing would never be the same. Suddenly, anyone could create professional quality images with a simple prompt. Restore old family photos, put your dog on Mars, or turn your backyard into a Van Gogh painting. The possibilities were endless. The creative community buzzed with excitement and a hint of fear. The tools of creation were being democratized, and Nano Banana was leading the charge. This wasn't just a new filter or app. It was a leap forward in how we interact with our visual memories. The barrier to entry for high-level creative work had just been obliterated. The internet was abuzz. Was it a hoax? Was it only for pros? Google's answer was simple: anyone could use it. Nano Banana was about to change how we see our past and imagine our future. The world of photo editing had just been turned upside down. The only limit now? Your imagination. And it all started with one photo. So, what is Nano Banana? It's not an app, but a powerful new feature inside Google Photos. Powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, it understands not just your words, but the context and mood of your photos. Forget learning complex tools. Just tell it what you want, and it does the rest. Why the name? Nano for precision, banana for playful ease. A classic Google touch. The real magic: it unlocks creativity for everyone, not just designers. Restore memories, create art, or just have fun. No technical skills required. Nano Banana is about making powerful technology invisible, so you can focus on your ideas. It's a tool for storytelling, memory keeping, and pure creative play. The future of image editing isn't about complexity. It's about making creativity effortless. With Nano Banana, anyone can bring their imagination to life. Nano Banana gives you creative superpowers straight from science fiction. Its core feature: natural language prompt editing. Just type or speak what you want to change. Want your cat on a velvet throne with a crown? Just ask. The AI understands objects, lighting, and context, making edits look natural. Subject consistency means you can dress your friend in a flapper dress, then place them in Paris. Across multiple photos, the AI keeps them recognizable. Multi-image fusion lets you blend elements from different photos. Kids in a vacation landscape, for example, with seamless results. Viral style effects go beyond filters. Turn a portrait into anime, claymation, or any trending look with a single prompt. Every edit is unique, generated from scratch. Nano Banana is more than an editor. It's a creative playground. No technical skills needed, just your imagination. The AI handles the hard work, so you can focus on ideas. Create, experiment, and surprise yourself. With Nano Banana, everyone's a creator. The real magic of Nano Banana is how it understands your intent, not just your words. Say, "Make this photo more exciting," and the AI analyzes the image, adding motion blur to a car, dramatic lighting to a portrait, or whatever fits. Removing objects is as easy as circling them and typing, "Remove this trash can." The AI fills in the background seamlessly. Adding elements? Just ask. Add a majestic oak tree at golden hour, and the AI generates it, matching light and perspective. Each prompt builds on the last. Turn a sunny day into rain, then add a red umbrella. Editing becomes a conversation, not a chore. You're free to experiment, try wild ideas, and refine as you go. No more hours learning tools, Just describe your vision. The AI handles the technical details, so you can focus on creativity. Every edit is a new layer of imagination. Nano Banana turns photo editing into pure creative play. Anyone can make something extraordinary. The only question, what will you dream up next? Multi-image fusion lets you blend worlds with a sentence, swap blinking eyes in group photos, or wrap your car in wood grain. Nano Banana handles the details. The AI understands shapes, lighting, and context, making impossible scenes believable. Want a goldfish swimming through clouds? Just ask. The AI merges concepts, not just pixels. It's perfect for memes, surreal art, or fixing tricky photos. No more tedious cut and paste. Just describe your idea. Fusion unlocks new creative narratives all in seconds. With Nano Banana, your imagination is the only limit. Ready to try Nano Banana? It's built right into Google Photos. Update your app, pick any photo, and tap the new Edit button with the AI icon. Type your prompt, like change the season to autumn, and watch the magic happen. The AI transforms your image in seconds, offering a few variations to choose from. Refine your prompt for more detail. Make the colors vibrant. Add fallen leaves. Save your creation as a copy to preserve the original. Share your masterpiece directly from Google Photos. Don't forget #NanoBanana. No technical skills needed, just your imagination and a photo. Every edit is a chance to experiment and play. The process is simple, fast, and fun. Your first AI-powered edit is just a prompt away. Welcome to the future of creativity. Want pro-level results? Be specific but conversational in your prompts. Describe your vision. Replace the wall with a deep blue ocean at sunset gives better results than change background to blue. Build edits in layers. Start broad, then refine with new prompts. Use negative prompts to remove unwanted elements or adjust style. Remove blurry shapes or make it less cartoonish. Combine AI edits with classic Google Photos tools for final touches. Adjust contrast, add vignettes, or tweak colors for your personal touch. This hybrid approach gives you creative power and control. Experiment, iterate, and make each image your own. With Nano Banana, your artistic signature shines through. Nano Banana is powerful, but not perfect. It can struggle with complex objects, fine details, or generating realistic hands and text. Subject consistency works best with common faces and objects, not rare breeds or custom items. Google's content policies block harmful or misleading images. Some prompts may be restricted. The tool is for creative expression, not creating fake documents or misinformation. Use it responsibly and be transparent about AI edits. Google may add invisible watermarks in the future. For now, the power and responsibility rests with you. Nano Banana puts creative power in everyone's hands. Restore memories, create art, or just have fun. No training required. Every photo is a new story waiting to be told. This is more than a tech leap, it's a cultural shift. Your feedback and creations will shape the tool's future. Experiment, push boundaries, and share your work with #NanoBanana. The future of imagery is something we create together. Update your app, pick a photo, and start imagining. Your canvas is waiting. What will you create next?